Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our video. So in this video, we will present about telecommunication and wireless technologies. Before we start our presentation, we would like to introduce our group, which is Farah Aisha, Hawa Sofia, Hana Nimisara, and Yorina Humaira. I really hope that this video can provide new information and knowledge for you guys. So let's get started.
So what is telecommunication? Telecommunication refers to transmission of information over a distance for the purpose of communication. This process involves the use of various technologies and mediums to transmit data, voice, text, and multimedia between individuals or systems. Telecommunication encompasses both wired and wireless communication methods. Telecommunication can occur within a local area, example within a building, over longer distances within a country or globally. It plays a vital role in enabling various forms of communication, including voice call, video conferencing, internet browsing, and data transfer. Wireless technologies. Wireless technologies eliminate the need for physical cables or wires. It is also enabling communication through the air using electromagnetic waves. This form of communication has become increasingly prevalent due to its flexibility and convenience. So wireless technologies have revolutionized communication by providing mobility, flexibility, and accessibility. They are integral to various aspects of daily life, from mobile communication to internet access and smart devices. The ongoing development of wireless technologies continues to shape the way people connect and communicate globally.
Electricity and magnetism are two closely related phenomena in physics, and they are described by a set of interconnected concepts. Here's an overview of some relevant concepts.
The first one is electric charge. Electric charge is a fundamental property of matter. As we all know, it can be positive or negative charge, and the same charge will repel each other, while the opposite charges will attract each other. The second one is electric force. The force between two charged objects is given by Coulomb's law. The force is directly proportional to the product of the magnitudes of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Next is electric field. The region around a charged object where the electric force is exerted on the other charge of the objects is called an electric field. The electric field line represents the direction and the strength of the electric field. Next, we have conductors and insulators. As we all know, conductors' function is to allow the electric charge to flow easily, while insulators to restrict the flow of the electric charge. While for electric current is the flow of electric charge. The unit used is ampere. The direction of current flow is considered to be from positive to negative, although in reality, electrons, which are negatively charged, move to the opposite direction, which is positive. Next is followed by voltage. Voltage is the electric potential energy per unit charge. It is measured in volts. Voltage is the driving force that causes electric charge to flow in a circuit. For resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current in the material. It is measured in ohms. Ohm's law relates voltage, current, and resistance, and the equation used is V equal to I times R. Magnetism. Magnetism is a property of certain materials that can attract or repel other materials. Magnetic fields are produced by moving charges, which is currents, and are associated with magnetic poles. Direct current and alternating current. In DC, the electric current flows in one direction, while in AC, it alternates direction periodically. Many household devices use AC while batteries provide DC. While for magnetic field, the region around a magnet where magnetic forces are exerted on other magnets or magnetic material is called a magnetic field. Magnetic field lines represent the direction of the magnetic field. Last but not least is electromagnetic induction. When a magnetic field changes around a conductor, it induces an electromotive force, which is EMF or voltage, in the conductor. The principle is the basis for generating electricity in generators and transformers. Also, electromagnetic waves. Changing electric and magnetic fields generate electromagnetic waves, such as light. Electromagnetic waves can propagate through space without a medium and have various frequencies, forming the electromagnetic spectrum. Here for detailed exploration, so for the first one is basic concepts. It contains signal transmission, followed by component concepts of telecommunication system which have transmitter channel and receiver, while for telecommunication networks have LAN and WAN, internet and satellite communication, and next is wireless data communication that has data transmission protocols, packet switching, and fiber optics.
And the number 5 is wireless communication standard, which is 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. This represents different generation of mobile communication standard, each offering improvement in data speed, capacity, and latency. Wi-Fi, stands for wireless fidelity, is a local area networking standard that allows device to connect to the internet with a physical cable. Next is Bluetooth, a short-range wireless technology used for connecting devices like smartphones, headphones, and a lot of devices. And the number 6 is mobile communication. Cellular networks divide a geographical area into cells, each served by a base station. This is the foundation for mobile communications. Next, smartphone. This device combines voice communication, internet access, and various applications. Next, SMS and MMS, which is short message service and multimedia messaging service, enable text and multimedia message exchange. And the number 7 is emerging technologies. 5 technology offer high data rates, lower latency, and increased device connectivity. Next, Internet of Things, which is IoT. Interconnected devices communicate and share data, enabling smart homes, cities, and industries. Next, artificial intelligence, which is AI in telecommunication. AI is used for network optimization, predictive maintenance, and customer service improvement. And the last one is challenge and future trends. First, security concerns, which is the increasing reliance on wireless communications, raises concerns about data security and privacy. Next, network virtualization, which is software-defined networking, which is SDN, and network function virtualization and VF, are transforming the way networks are designed and operated. Last but not least, 6G exploration, which is researchers are already looking into the potential technologies that could define the next generation of wireless communication.
So I did my research about telecommunication and wireless technologies. I can provide some general trends and anticipated developments in telecommunication and wireless technologies. Keep in mind that the field is rapidly evolving and there may have been further advancement and innovation since then. Here are some potential future development. So the first one is 5G evolution and beyond. So it is continued expansion and optimization of 5G networks, bringing enhanced speed, low latency, and increased capacity. Research and development of 6G technology, focusing on even faster data rates, lower latency, and new use cases such as holographic communication. So let's move on to the next one. It is edge computing. It is increased integration of edge computing to process data closer to the source, reducing latency and enhancing real-time applications like augmented reality, or we known as AR, and virtual reality, VR. Artificial intelligence, or we known as AI integration, like we all know, like Siri, Alexa, like we all have in our iOS devices. AI application in network management, optimization, and security to improve efficiency and adaptability. AI also driven features in communication services such as intelligent virtual assistant and predictive analytics. Okay, so wireless charging technologies. Advancement in wireless charging technologies for mobile devices and other electronic gadgets, integration of wireless charging infrastructure in public spaces, and the development of long-range wireless charging solutions. So the next innovation in the future is the quantum communication. The exploration of quantum communication is for secure transmission of information, leveraging the principle of quantum entanglement for encryption. The development of quantum key distribution, all known as QKD, for secure communication. So it is good for our future. So the last one is satellite internet advancement. The expansion of satellite constellation to provide global broadband internet coverage and reducing the digital divide in remote and underserved areas. So advancement in satellite technology for improved data transmission, speeds, and lower costs. So in future, maybe our internet will be more faster, like not right now.
So here are some examples of real-world implementations. The first one is artificial intelligence, AI, things like healthcare and medical diagnosis and chatbots. Second one is IoT, which stands for Internet of Things, things like industrial IoT and smart home devices, like washing machines, smart TVs, vacuum cleaner, smart toothbrush, pet finders or tracking devices, and smart baby monitor. And then the third one is 3D printing, such as prototyping and medical applications. And then environmental monitoring, like satellite technology and air quality sensors. The fifth one is autonomous vehicles like self-driving cars and drones.
So some of the potential benefits of telecommunication and wireless technologies is it helps with high-level communication. These technologies have revolutionized communication by making it faster and more efficient. Businesses can communicate with their clients and employees more seamlessly, and individuals can stay in touch with their families and friends regardless of geographical distances. These technologies have also significantly improved global connectivity. People can communicate and share information instantly across the globe, fostering international collaboration and understanding. Telecommunication also allows for instant communication across the world. Through wireless technologies such as satellites and high-speed internet, individuals, businesses, and governments can connect globally in real time. Next, these technologies improve quality of life. All the necessities are met. For modern civilization to run well, people must be able to communicate and receive information. With the ability to freely share information and communicate among organizations of all shapes and sizes, as well as between communities and individuals inside those organizations, telecommunication has emerged as the fundamental component of today's digital environment. Technology's advancements have made it possible for us to utilize the internet, phones, emails, and text messages virtually exclusively in our daily life. Next one is entertainment and media. These technologies help with global reach and accessibility. Telecommunication and wireless technologies enable instant global communication, allowing entertainment and content to reach. This facilitates the distributions of movies, TV shows, music, and other media on a global scale, reaching diverse audience regardless of geographical location. Next, interactive and immersive experience. Things like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality VR applications leverage telecommunication to deliver engaging and interactive content, creating new dimensions in gaming, storytelling, and live events. Next one is social media integration. Social media platforms heavily rely on telecommunication and wireless technologies for content sharing and engagement. Users can instantly share their favorite media content, discuss it with friends, and participate in online communities, fostering a sense of connection and community around entertainment. And the last benefits is through education and healthcare. Telecommunication technologies facilitate remote learning and making education more accessible to individuals in remote or undeserved areas. People can now receive their education outside the classroom, thanks to advancement in technology. With a computer, smartphone, and internet connection, you can now study any topic, read about it in a tutorial, or watch a video about it. Telecommunication is being used more and more by some of the most prominent colleges in the world to deliver courses to students who live far away. Because of this, students can save a significant amount of money that they would have otherwise spent on lodging and transportation. Additionally, students can use the flexibility of online learning to manage obligations to both their careers and their studies. Of course, social media is becoming a more indispensable tool for educators and students to communicate and exchange ideas. These technologies also facilitate the affairs of others. As an example, telemedicine and wireless technologies enable remote healthcare services, allowing patients to consult with healthcare professionals, monitor vital signs, and receive medical advice without the need for physical presence. So some challenges of telecommunication and wireless technologies is first the security concerns, like cybersecurity threats. So with the increasing reliance on digital communication, there is a higher risk of cyber threats such as hacking, data breaches, and denial of service attacks. Next is privacy issues. The collection and transmission of personal data through wireless networks raise concerns about privacy. Ensuring the security of sensitive information is crucial. Next is energy consumption. Things like battery life. Many wireless devices such as smartphones and IoT devices rely on batteries. Prolonging battery life while maintaining efficient communication is a continuous challenge. Next one is the environmental impact. The energy consumption of telecommunication infrastructure contributes to environmental concerns, and efforts are being made to develop more energy. And the third one is reliability and resilience. Natural disasters. Telecommunication infrastructure is vulnerable to natural disaster, and ensuring resilience in the face of such events is crucial for maintaining communication during emergencies. And then service outages. Unplanned outages due to technical issues or malicious activities can disrupt communication services and impact users. And then the last one is infrastructure development. Deployment costs. Building and maintaining a robust telecommunication infrastructure, especially in remote or undeserved areas, can be really expensive. And urban planning. In urban environments, the deployment of new infrastructure may face challenges related to space constraints, zoning regulations, and aesthetic concerns.
In conclusion, telecommunication has exerted a major impact on the social dynamic. It is not just a simple transmission of signals over long-haul distances for the sake of sharing information, but also ensures a great deal of success in modern business. Telecommunications also is the exchange of information over significant distance by electronic means and refers to all types of voice, data, and video transmission. Telecommunications play a pivotal role in connecting people globally, facilitating information exchange, and driving technology advancement. As technology continues to evolve, the future of telecommunications hold the promise of even faster and more reliable communication, shaping the way we interact, work, and innovate. In addition, wireless technology allows users to communicate simultaneously over the same medium without their signals interfering with one another. This is made possible because of two physical phenomena, which is the weakening of electromagnetic signals with distance and the electromagnetic spectrum. Wireless communication systems are today an integral part of the cyber-physical infrastructure. Over the past decades, several generations of systems were designed to optimize for radio and energy resource. Moreover, wireless technologies have revolutionized communication, providing unprecedented convenience and mobility. From Wi-Fi to 5G, these advancements have transformed how we connect, work, and live. As we look ahead, ongoing innovation, spectrum management, and addressing security challenges will be key to maximizing the potential of wireless technologies in shaping our interconnected future.